time for some sweet banana rolls. Welcome to Bud's Cook Food. First, spread some oil on a pan. Place your mediumly ripe bananas on the pan. Sprinkle some jaggery powder and some cocoa powder. Fry the bananas in medium heat. Flip the bananas after they turn brown. You can sprinkle some cocoa powder here too. Now just soak the rice paper for 5 to 6 seconds in warm water. Place the fried banana in between the rice paper and wrap it and roll it just as shown, just like this. Now it's time to fry our rolls. Fry them on either side till they turn brown. These rolls best go with chocolate sauce. And thanks for watching. Until next time, ciao.